Well, good morning, real estate fans. Alice Lema here, broker John L. Scott here in beautiful Southern Oregon with our weekly edition of our market statistics for housing in Southern Oregon. So this week we did definitely see a lot more listings come on the market. Prices are softening ever like so slightly, but properties are still getting sold. So let's start with Klamath County. This week in Klamath County, new listings were 89, closed sales in Klamath County were 49, pending sales in Klamath County were 59, back on market were 16. Back on market are people that lost their buyer escrow. So you're going to start seeing that happen more as buyers get more fussy. Klamath County canceled and withdrawn. We had 8. Those are people that just completely gave up. Klamath County average days on market is 107 this week, so more than 3 months. And Klamath County average sales price 236,000, almost 237, and the average sold price to list price ratio, the difference between what somebody listed for to what they received when they sold in Klamath County this week was almost 92.5%. So that's still good. That's still a nice market, but it's definitely leveling off. Okay, so let's check in with Josephine County. Josephine County this week, new listings were 68. The closed sales in Josephine County were 40. The pending sales in Josephine County were 49. Back on market in Josephine County were 20. The canceled and withdrawn in Josephine County were 14. The average days on market in Josephine County were 22, so not quite a month. And the average sales price in Josephine County was 436,000 and some change, which for us is still high. We'll watch it every week to see if that comes down a little bit. And Josephine County average sold price ratio to list price was 98% and some change. So still pretty strong. Jackson County new listings this week were 166, with Jackson County closed sales at 101. Pending sales in Jackson County was 126. Back on market in Jackson County was 40. Sorry, this is Jackson County. So back on market in Jackson County was 40. Jackson County canceled and withdrawn were 22. Average days on market for Jackson County is 19, so getting on 3 weeks. And the average sales price in Jackson County is 461 and 600. So almost 461,000. 600 almost. Yeah, still pretty high. So the average sold price to list price ratio in Jackson County was 98.49. So that's 98.5. That's still pretty strong. But again, we're seeing lots and lots of listings. We are going on lots and lots of listing appointments now. We're getting ready to put a lot on the market in all price points. The luxury market is still saturated. Luxury market is still a bona fide buyer's market. And because of low interest rates, there are people who are qualifying to purchase in those price points that never would have before. So it's great hunting. $800,000 and over. That's what Southern Oregon considers the luxury market. And then watch as the leveling off happens and the stabilizing starts creeping down into the lower price points. We'll start seeing more days on market, softening of the prices, and a lot more listings compared to what's closing. And a stabilizing normal market is a good thing, folks. Welcome this with open arms. It means that we'll have a lot more to choose from. It means people who are selling can actually sell. And I think that's driving a lot of the sellers because they can actually sell their home and find something else to move into if they're staying in the area. We still have a high percentage of people leaving the area. Some of them are tenants, some of them are homeowners, some of them are taking jobs somewhere else, some of them are retiring early, some of them are investors. We still have a lot of landlords selling and they're buying somewhere else because for their finances, it pencils better. So that's our update for this week. These are the market statistics ending in July 28th here in Southern Oregon. I'm Alice Lema, broker John L. Scott here in Medford, Ashland, Grants Pass, and Klamath. I'm here to help. Please let me know if there's something I could do. I want to be your agent. My number is 541-301-7980. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye now.